Adding the Doordash Red Card to Apple Wallet and Google Wallet. Hey there, fellow Dashers. In today's video, I want to share a game-changing tip that can make your Doordash deliveries even smoother. As we all know, the Doordash Red Card is an essential tool for completing certain orders. However, carrying the physical card can sometimes be inconvenient and even lead to complications. That's where adding the Red Card to your digital wallets, such as Apple Wallet and Google Wallet, can be a lifesaver. By adding the Doordash Red Card to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, you eliminate the risk of forgetting or misplacing it. This means you can accept orders that require the Red Card even if you don't have it physically with you. It's a simple way to ensure you're always prepared to fulfill these types of orders without any hiccups. Let's start with Apple Wallet. If you have an iPhone, follow these easy steps to add the Red Card. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign to add a new card. Choose Add a different card. Manually enter the necessary information from your Doordash Red Card. Tap Next and follow the prompts to verify and complete the setup. And for those using Android devices with Google Wallet, here's how you can add the Red Card. Open the Google Pay app on your Android device. Tap on the plus sign or payment methods option. Select Add a credit or debit card. Enter the details from your Doordash Red Card. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify and add the card. Once you've successfully added the Red Card to your digital wallet, you're all set. Now, whenever you receive an order that requires the Red Card, you can simply access it through your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, even if you don't have the actual card in hand. This convenient feature not only saves you from potential issues like forgetting the card at home or losing it, but also streamlines your Doordash experience. You'll be able to accept and complete orders with ease, without any unnecessary delays or complications. That's it for today's video, Dashers. I hope this tip helps you enhance your Doordash journey and eliminates any worries about the physical Red Card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy dashing!